offering support, advice, and practical strategies for managing your finances and rebuilding your credit. Removing collections from your credit report can be challenging, but it's possible with persistence and strategy. The first step is to verify the accuracy of the debt listed on your report. If you spot any errors, immediately dispute them with the credit bureaus, as they are legally obligated to investigate and correct inaccuracies. If the debt is valid, you can attempt to negotiate with the collection agency. One effective method is to request a pay-for-delete agreement, where you offer to pay the outstanding debt in exchange for the collection agency removing the negative entry from your credit report. If they agree, make sure to get the terms in writing before you make any payments. Once the debt is settled, request a confirmation letter from the agency that the collection has been removed.